One of the most important activity in our job is the assistance. A great assistance can transform a good product into a great product. So let's start saying that all our dental units, so the different models that we have, use the same components inside. In this way we can easily identify the problem and quickly adjust the problem with an easy solution. So we thought that by giving you already some spare parts that are included in the spare part kit that we are going to talk now, we can solve the problem quickly and also in a very short time, because you already have the spare part in the clinic, or if you are a technician, in the car, and so you don't need to wait us to send the spare parts because it's already there. But let's go more specific about it. So the spare part kit contains different components and electronic part or valves that allow to solve the 90% of the problem that the chair can have. As an example, I take always Greece, the country of Greece. It's beautiful because there are many different islands, and so it's not easy for a technician to reach the clinic on time. So to cut the timing, in that case, we can offer to the dentist to buy the spare part kit already, so he can keep in the clinic, and by a friend of him, a technician, a local technician that maybe is not specific for dental but is a plumber or electrician, we can support him in order to solve the problem quickly by using videos, WhatsApp, and very fast communication between us and the clinic. In other cases, we give the spare part kit to a technician because we have distributors all around the world, and in that case the technician can keep the spare parts in the car, so when he arrives to the clinic he can solve the problem immediately or in a very short time. In case you don't have the parts, because we cannot include the entire dental chair inside the box, of course we can supply in a very quick time, because within 24 hours we normally deliver the spare parts that you need for your dental unit. So we are very strict about this, and we know the importance to have the parts in a short time and solve the problem in a clinic. As I said before, we have different dental chairs with most of the components that are the same inside, but of course we can customize the spare part kit according to the dental chair model that you have in your clinic. You can do it when you buy the dental unit, so we can include already the kit, or you can also buy after, in a couple of months, in a year, or whenever you like. And in that case we just need the serial number of the unit, so we can, according to the unit that you have, prepare the spare part kit. We normally supply two possibilities of this kit. One is a basic one and the other one is a complete one. In the basic one, as the word says, we have more basic components, so little valves and the electronic mostly, and in the complete one we have other components, not only the electronic and the valves, but also some additional part like the silicones, cannula, tubes, handle of the suction handle. All these components that you can find easily on our website or in a list that we can provide to you, and you can identify which components are inside the kit. In addition, you can also customize the spare part kit, so you can select the items that you want to include so that you have your custom pack only for you. Important is the timing for the spare parts, but it's also important to have the right support that is provided by our internal technicians, so you can identify easily the problem that you can have on a dental unit and at the same time have a correct solution. For this purpose we normally use WhatsApp as a support, so that we can easily exchange information by videos and pictures. And I really hope that all this job with the spare part and the support that we give is satisfying your needs of have a very fast solution and keep going working with your Simple&smart dental unit. In case you need more information, you can write us on our email address, the support address, or just visit our website, that is www.simplesmart.it, and get all the information there or contact us directly. So thank you for watching also this video. I hope you enjoy the kit and see you next time.